How to link Wealthfront to Venmo. Follow these instructions. Open the Venmo app, tap the menu, go to Settings, then select Payment Methods to manage your linked accounts. Tap Add Bank or Card, choose Bank, and begin linking your Wealthfront account to Venmo for payments and transfers. Search for Wealthfront in the supported bank list and select it to continue with the secure connection process. Sign in with your Wealthfront username and password via Plaid to securely authorize Venmo access to your account. Choose your Wealthfront Cash account as the funding source for Venmo transactions or transfers. Complete verification instantly through Plaid or by confirming to small test deposits within 1 to 2 days. After verification, use your Wealthfront account in Venmo to send, receive, and pay directly from your investment balance. Thank you for watching.